According to Military Watch, in a recent statement, North Korean officials announced their readiness to provide pro-Russian forces in eastern Ukraine with KN-09 and KN-25 multiple launch rocket systems, with outstanding features compared to the US high mobility rocket system. KN-09 is a 300mm multiple launch rocket system, 8 tubes, 200 km range, introduced by the Korean Army in 2014 and put into service in 2016, considered the most powerful conventional weapon at the time. Experts say this is a more formidable weapon than short-range ballistic missiles, thanks to its ability to penetrate underground or fragment shells. The KN-09 is suspected to be derived from similar 300mm caliber MLRS, such as the Russian BM-30 Smerch, Chinese WS-1B, or even Syrian M302. The truck used in the KN-09 is reported to be the Chinese-made civilian version of Sinotruk Hao truck, repurposed for military use. The 8 launch tubes are arranged in 2 pods of 4 launch tubes. The pods are factory-fitted and sealed. The whole pod can be rapidly replaced in field conditions by the help of a crane. So the reload of such system takes less time than reloading individual launch tubes. These rockets have a suspected maximum range between 100 and 200 kilometers, and can mount various warheads, including chemical, incendiary and mines, beyond the typical high explosive fragmentation type. Such range is sufficient to reach South Korean capital Seoul while firing from the North Korean territory. Most likely that this North Korean system uses Chinese SY-300 artillery rockets. These have a range of up to 130 kilometers. The SY-300 rockets are accurate out to 200 meters using inertial guidance system, and out to 50 meters using inertial guidance system with Beidou satellite navigation system update. The potentially accurate guidance of the rockets would likely result in this system being used to target objects of military importance, such as airfields in South Korea. The weapon system is said to be based on the chassis of the Chinese Hao heavy truck, in a 6x6 configuration. The launcher vehicle has a 2-door cab that accommodates the entire crew. Their area special shutters that cover windshield and prevent its damage from rocket exhaust and falling debris. According to reports, the vehicle can reach a maximum speed of 90 km per hour, a range of up to 1,000 km. The vehicle has some degree of cross-country mobility, and can travel over all kinds of roads, even off-road. In general, North Korea has self-developed multiple rocket launchers with caliber from 107mm to 300mm, longer range and stronger destructive power than conventional towed artillery. It is estimated that North Korea has nearly 5,000 multiple launch rocket launchers, about 2/3 of which are located close to the border, which can fire about 100,000 rounds in less than a minute. Artillery rockets are less complex than ballistic missiles, more reliable and cheaper and easier to produce. Also, these rockets are more difficult to counter due to the fact that these are being fired in massed volleys. These weapons are very effective when attacking large-scale targets such as cities or barracks, shocking and devastating the enemy on a large scale. This is considered the first deployed weapon if war breaks out on the Korean peninsula.